Okay, so I bet very few can guess what this is. This is the native mullein seeds of a native mullein of Florida, and I suppose some other southern states. And mullein is a wonderful herbal plant, but the Florida mullein is unique compared to the northern mullein. It doesn't have the fuzzy gray look. It has smooth, shiny, dark green leaves, and it's actually really ornamental, majestic plant, especially when the flower stems come up. So these are the stems of the plant that are being used dried, and now just collecting the seeds off. Now these look like seeds, but they're not the seeds. These are actually a pod, and the seeds are just like dust inside. So from these maybe 4 or 5 stems of plants which are bunched out, there's literally hundreds of thousands of seeds that will be there. So we might put them up on Etsy. I don't know if there's anyone interested in the Florida version of mullein, but I find it's got a strong personality, but it's very similar in effect to the northern mullein, but it's much more drought tolerant and heat tolerant than the northern one. The northern one wouldn't handle long drought and heat like that. So, and this gets going early as soon as the hot weather starts. It'll grow, and it grows so fast. From a seed in one year, it'll produce a big plant like that. So it's pretty amazing stuff. We're thinking of planting it en masse on the edge of our property, because it's a native and completely carefree. Once it comes up, it just grows, and it outgrows everything else. So it's very vigorous. It has so many health benefits, especially for breathing, people who have breathing difficulties. It's a very good herb. And that's that. So the seeds, they look, these are the seed pods, and then right at the very bottom, well, the tiny powder that's in the bottom of this, that, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this powder. There's this very fine powder. So there's probably 1 million seeds in this bundle. It's very prolific, but it's not invasive. It just comes up in places, and somehow it's not invasive, but it does do well here. Yeah, I was thinking we might put it up on Etsy and see if anyone's interested in the Florida mullein. It does look majestic, and a carefree plant that can handle the cold, and it's a very powerful medicine. Very good, especially for chest issues, breathing difficulties, people who have flus and everything like that. So, and it's not difficult to take. It's not too bitter. It's not too hot. Makes a nice tea. Something, especially during the winter cold months, teas, it's good to mix with other things. Okay, thank you.